You don't got to tell it. And this is my pink fluffy slime, and I'm going to be showing you how to make it non-sticky. So yeah.
You have to play with it a lot.
Yeah, you have to play with it a lot, and you have to roll it around. And if it's sticky, just start getting it off your hands like you're already doing now.
She said, "Wait, I'm not saying where's my shirt?"
Sorry about all the noise in the background because these people don't know how to be quiet.
Yeah, actually do.
Yeah, they do. And look, it's really fun to. And there's dangers of borax. There is dangers of borax.
So don't eat this.
She's hesitating, of course. She's like, and there's
What? I don't know you could do that. Anyway, so
there is
dangers of borax. And borax is very dangerous because there's this girl on the news who was making slime, and then she went to her friend's house. She was making it with her friend, and then she fell asleep, and she woke up, and her hands were stinging really, really bad. Her hands were stinging really bad. No, she didn't. Her hands were stinging really, really bad, and so she called her mom and said that her hands were stinging, and it was because of borax. And you always have to wash your hands before you play with slime and after you play with slime. So yeah.
After you play with slime, make sure you always wash your hands.
Always wash your hands because you don't know what's in this stuff.
Even
and there's sodium borax. And
it's funny how you look.
And turtles are contagious. They can get you warts too.
Yeah, if they're red, if they have red little ear things on the back.
Yeah, so you're really gonna have to wash your hands before you play with the turtle.
The different theme. I'm at my grandpa's house right now because it's the weekend. So yeah. And my singer band got first place. And if you want, and I will be starting to sell slime that my friends give me to other people at my school.
And me. She's gonna give me a slime
too.
too.
I'm gonna give her slime.
Can you make blue slime?
Yeah, okay. And if you guys are watching this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
We're doing it on her phone, so
on my channel.
Yeah, it's her channel, so
and
you might
if you want to check out my dad's channel, Skylar Horn,
and Hunter
Horn, and Zay Zay,
he's
McDade, and Lala McDade.
No, just follow Isaiah.
Yeah, just follow Isaiah.
Because I don't have YouTube on my phone, he does, so.
Yeah.
Yes,
you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I try.
Then how come you have YouTube? You have to have a YouTube channel if you have YouTube.
Okay, let's have YouTube.
Then her YouTube channel is called Lana McDade, and watch this, guys. 1 second.
This is a great.
And if you have glittery slime, the way how to get out of glitter slime is wash your hands after, and all the glitter will come out. If it doesn't, wash your hands a couple more times, or take a bath. One or the other. The glitter on your hands. And if your slime is really, really sticky, add borax with water. And if you want to make your slime really huge, get water and put your slime in it. Put your slime in water and just start mixing it. And then you'll just wait a little bit, and do it a couple more times. You'll make it really big. So yeah.
You put a bunch of water if you want to make it really big.
Put a bunch of water.
And even you can do it in a bathtub.
And that is all for today. And we'll be making some more videos. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about my slime.
Goodbye. Bye bye, guys.